Hello. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be discussing Yeezy Foam Runners in the shade Ochre. Ochre. I believe it's Ochre. So if you're new here, my name is Jack Queen. I hope that you decide to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. So this video, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If everything went like it should have, I would have been so excited to record this video. But of course, things did not go as I had planned, which is cool. So I ordered the foam runners in the shade Ochre. I don't know. I ordered the foam runners. I'm gonna show you them. This is the box that they came in. It's literally just a simple brown cardboard box. Nothing special about it. Came sealed. When you open the box, it says foam, and this is the shade Ochre. This is what they look like. So I ordered the size. I sized up based off of reviews, people that I knew personally who had them. Everyone said size up, size up. So I was like, all right. So I finally, bit the bullet. I bought these off of StockX. I sized up. I'm typically a size 5 in boys, 6.5 in women's. These run in men's sizes. So I typically would have been a 5. I got a size 6. And on my other Yeezys, I'm a 5. And I want to say the 380s, the Mist colorway, I got a 5.5 because I heard to size up in those. Happy I did in those. These don't come in half sizes though, so I just went up to the 6. They're too big, okay? By too big, I mean like way too big. Like I can't wear them too big. Like foot swimming in them too big. Even if I wear a sock, it's too big. So I'm a little upset about that. But onto the review of the actual shoe. These are so comfortable. Retail price is $80, so if you can get them for retail, I would 100% recommend. They're definitely worth $80. Now that I have them in my possession and I've already paid resale price for them, I wouldn't recommend that because it's really a rubber shoe. Like it's rubber. It's rubber. It's rubber. But like I said, they are super comfortable, like so comfortable. They look cute. The inseam in the actual shoe is not high at all, but this part of the shoe comes up high on your foot. So if you're like the front of your foot, kind of like here of your foot though, comes up high, these I think would work for you because it literally rises. It kind of looked a little funny on my foot, but I'm thinking it's more so because the shoe was too big to begin with. Aside from that, I love them. This colorway is fire. Like it's neutral, it goes with everything. It's deep, like it's a warm tone. It's not a cool taupe color. It's definitely warm tone, goes with everything. Like I said, I'm very upset that they're too big because now I'm just kind of like, what is it giving? Like, do I sell them and buy the right size? Do I just sell them and forget about it? Do I hold it down? I'm not holding it down though. I already ruled that out. Like they're just too big. So I don't want to necessarily suggest, like I don't want to tell you guys don't size up and then you get your regular size and you need to size up, but I had no luck with that. More about my foot. My foot is a pretty flat foot, so if I had a higher arch, it would probably be smaller than it already is, but I don't. It's flat. These are very comfortable for my flat foot. They fit so good. They look so cute. Like I said, the only problem really is the fact that they're too big. So with these, I'm gonna just tell y'all, stick true to size. I think even if you wear a sock which are true to size, it might be a little snug, especially if it's a thick sock, but nothing to the point that either you cutting your toenail or just relaxing your foot won't help. Like, I think that true to size is kind of the best way to go, unless you're okay with your feet, your shoes being a little big, or you're gonna double sock them, which multiple people said to me. I'm not double socking these, like, not doing it. You know, I had a certain look in my head for how I wanted to wear them, with or without socks, whether that was on vacation or just around to run errands type shit. But yeah, they were not giving. So I'm gonna insert a clip of, you know, me, how they look on foot, even though they're too big, just so you have an idea. You'll see how high this comes up. I do have skinny ankles, so that was kind of another thing that played into it too. Like, the shoe just looked very big on my foot, aside from it being too big, which is another reason why I'm not just gonna hold it down and keep the size. If I was to get it, I definitely want my true to size, because they are already a big bulky shoe. I don't need it looking any bigger than it has to. So yes, I don't know if I already said this, but retail is $80. I would suggest, if you could, getting them for retail. I don't think they're necessarily worth resale prices, at least as far as today. What they're looking like, the minimum is like $250. I wouldn't suggest it. They are very comfortable though, so if you're looking for something for comfort and you don't mind spending that, then definitely do it, because comfort, A1, like, no issues with that. I got mine off of StockX. I don't know if I already said that either. So that is the StockX authentication tag. And yes, these are the Foam Runner Ochres. Ochre. I don't know. Yes. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know what you guys like. I think you guys, and maybe not even like necessarily my subscribers, but people in general really like seeing sneakers. And like, if y'all want to see sneakers, like, we could talk about sneakers. Like, I really do the sneaker shit. That's not a thing. So let me know what y'all want to see. Otherwise, again, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.